SuperPath total hip replacement procedure is a technique. It allows me to put in a hip replacement different than most other approaches. It is a newer approach that most people don't even realize exists. It's not an anterior approach, it's not a posterior approach, it's a superior approach. It doesn't cut any muscles or tendons, it doesn't dislocate the hip, which means popping the hip out of socket so you can build one side and then the other side. This is actually built like the ship in the bottle. It's built with the hip in place, and the recovery is much quicker than traditional hip replacements. In fact, many of these can be performed in our outpatient surgery center as part of our outpatient total joint replacement program. If you want to learn more about SuperPath, call Olympia Orthopaedic Associates.